Hi, I'm Marna and I collect Baby Alive dolls. This is just a small portion of some of those that I have. I did want to tell you that not every Baby Alive eats food and it goes through their body, but there are several. Some only have drinking wet, and that is you just put water through them, and others do not even do that. They're just cute little dolls. But if you have a doll that does eat the food and you run out of the Hasbro food packets, I have seen some of the options on YouTube for making your own foods. And I'm horrified! Do not put human food through these dolls, please. You will draw bugs the more sugar you put into these dolls with granulated sugar potions and jello potions, and don't do it. You're going to have bugs inside your dolls. And not just bugs, rodents are attracted to that sort of thing. You don't want that in your child's toy box. So what are some options? Well, you have seen my other crafts. I have been using disposable diapers and other products, feminine products, for crafts for many years. Darren and I are cyclists, and one of the things I do is I take and see, I save them after I tear them up. You open up these feminine products and you dig down past the cotton, and within there are little balls of the stuff that expands and captures the water. And I make, for Darren and I, it's very flat right now, I make these for when we ride bikes. And you wrap these around your neck, you soak them in cold water, you put this around your neck, and with the air from the ride that you're riding into, that's your wind chill, even on a hot day, it keeps your whole body cool because you're cooling your arteries. These, oh man, I can't tell you how many times these have saved my butt. I also make, when some of the crafts I've done on YouTube prior, is using this inside a strip of a diaper for your drinking wet dolls. And that absorbs the water, and if it's just water, you can leave this to dry. And I took some of this mixture, or not mixture, the insides, and I mixed it into a cup to see if we could do this, and we can. But I let it dry so you can see how it dries. Now you cannot put these in your clothes dryer. If you make these items, you can put them in your washing machine. That's just fine. But hang them to dry, and I'm going to tell you right now, it'll take days. That's days with an S. But it's worth it. What we're going to do is we're going to make Baby Alive food with this gel. And that will go through your doll. And we need to add water. And then you let that sit. Mix it up. You can see it's already gelling. And if you just let that sit, and that little bit of cotton in there won't hurt a thing. Okay, I pulled the cotton to add more. And what I'm doing is I'm pulling that apart, those little bitty absorbent pellets, that gel is in there. And what I do is I kind of rub it together, and that you can see how that dusty gel comes out. And if the little bit of cotton falls out, it's okay. You can use that. As long as you're not using so much that it clogs your doll, this is going to work great. Okay, so there is some cotton in there. I'm not going to worry about it, but if you are, take your spoon and squeeze your gel back out and pull this out of your mix. But I like the pulpy stuff. It'll help clean the sides of your doll as you push this through. You just need to add water as you go, as you do with any food you put through. I am using gel food colors. It's just Walmart's brand. I'll put yellow in here so you can see it. Oh, a blue. I thought I put yellow in, but there you go, blue. And just stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. And there you go. You have another clean idea for baby alive food without ruining the doll with human food items. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.